An access T on an air conditioner condensate drain line is a short pipe fitting with a removable cap that provides a clean, convenient point to inspect, clear, or introduce cleaning solutions into the drain without taking apart the primary plumbing. An access T typically sits near the indoor unit where the condensate collects and drains away, and it is usually a three-way fitting that connects the trap, the drain line to the outside, and a capped port for access. Install or locate an access T by shutting off the system, removing the cap counterclockwise, and using a thin coat hanger or flexible nylon brush. Push gently into the port to break up algae or biofilm. Avoid aggressive scrubbing that can damage the trap seal. For routine maintenance, pour 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of a manufacturer-recommended non-corrosive cleaner or a diluted white vinegar solution down the T monthly to control microbial growth. Then flush with 1 cup of clean water to move residue through the trap and out the drain. When performing a condensate line vacuum, remove the cap and use a vacuum adapter or a wet vacuum hose to draw water out through the access point until the trap is empty. Then pour a small amount of water back through the T to reseal the trap. If the access T or cap leaks after reassembly, replace the cap or apply a thin bead of appropriate thread sealant or a new O-ring rather than over-tightening, which can crack plastic fittings. Record the date and action in your maintenance log so seasonal technicians know what was done at each visit. Common mistakes include relying on a flashlight inspection alone, which misses slimy biofilm deep in the trap. So use a small brush through the access T and flush with water to physically remove deposits. Another issue is using harsh chemicals like bleach undiluted, which can corrode plastic fittings and harm drain pans, so choose mild acidic or enzyme cleaners and follow dilution instructions. A third frequent problem is forgetting to reseal the cap properly, which allows insects or sewer odors to enter the living space. Always check the cap seating and threads, replace damaged caps, and confirm the cap hand tight plus a quarter turn with pliers if necessary. BigHomeProjects.com is our site where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors for projects related to heating and cooling and other home systems. We also help contractors find work and grow business. And we host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips and troubleshooting advice.